I'm Fred from Lanner Electronics. Thank you all today for joining my talk on AI-powered hyper-converged MEC server, which enables intelligent transportation service. Just wanted to let you know before I start to remind you that I'm available for chat during the talk. As questions comes up, please click on the chat button on the bottom right hand of this web browser to submit your questions. Okay, let me give you a quick facts about what we do here at Lanner Electronics. We are a corporation that's founded in Taipei, Taiwan around 1986, and we've been around about 30 years. Specialized in network computing appliances for tier 1 enterprise security companies and telecom service providers. Steady growth, about 230 mil USD in market capitalization, and specialize in UCPE, SD-WAN, 5G MEC, and edge computing and AIoTs. This page here basically it shows the representations of the three main product segments we offer here at Lanner Electronics. The pyramidal representation of the three main product segments, which is the industrial networks, the enterprise networks, and what we're going to more focus in today, which is the telecom networks. On the bottom side, you can see there's intelligent edge appliances we offer here at Lanner. And the middle section is our main portion, which is the network computing appliances. We offer desktop, 1U, 2U, and up network appliances here at Lanner. And the top hand side, which is what we're going to talk about today, is the modular hyper-converged MEC server, what we call the model FX3420. It basically supplies, it provides access edge computing such as SD-WAN, virtualization, and NVIDIA. As we all can see from this slide, which is called the opportunities of edge computing, and as we can see from the picture here, right now mostly in the market is focusing on the right-hand side, which is the cloud AI for data center and enterprise core for appliances. NVIDIA's originally focus, which is both the AI and enterprise, and Lanner's strong part, which is the enterprise edge. So with NVIDIA's partnership, we would actually strengthen the enterprise edge and telecom segment because Lanner actually has about 70% of brand companies from Gartner that selected Lanner platforms for UTM firewall and application delivery. So in conjunction with our MEC server, along with the NVIDIA's GPU cards, it creates a perfect combination for edge computing, for enterprise edge and telecom edge. So here actually you see a real use case that Lanner has for MEC for transportation services. It shows here that our solution, which is the FX3420, the powered with the NVIDIA's T4 GPU card for MEC applications, and which is integrated at the RAN element. The FX3420 provides computing resources, storage capacity, connectivity, and access to RAN informations. And it supports multi-latency runtime and host environment for the applications. The virtual applications that are delivered as package operating systems, we'll call the VMs, and applications running such as video surveillance to help the taxi drivers to improve their driving safety when they travel by car. And as you can see, the location mapping system that guided taxi drivers in real time to provide the driver information and include travel, traffic status, and provide the best routing path. And also the audio systems can provide a call center including internet connections to base stations and give emergency calls and QA services and travels and so on. Then lastly, the data is transmitted to the FX3420, which is the MEC server, which can finally analyze the user's behavior and emergency queries through AI and provide the best suggestions path to users or drivers by AI learning. So as you can see here, this part here is actually where the MEC server plus the T4 GPU cards comes into play. Here I would like to give you a general and brief introduction of Lanner MEC Server, which is the NCC-ready FX3420. The FX3420 is an NGC-rated product, and the architecture is integrated with security, computing, management, storage, and networking all in one. Additional features are added such as NVIDIA solutions, such as the GPU cards and mail-lock solutions, which can connect to Ethernet modules and serve to optimize the workload, acceleration on AI inference, and enhance I/O security. What I just mentioned above, all can actually reduce the CAPEX and OPEX to fulfill the need for Mac, private 5G, SASE, which stands for Secure Access Service Edge, and Enterprise Network Security. So here the Lanner's product solution is embedded, okay, with Lanner's cybersecurity DNA. As for security, the TPM, BIOS Guard, Secure Boot, Security Key, and BMC Security all has been certified by Tier 1 network security companies. Regarding this platform, platform security, our platform can actually support up to 2 NVIDIA 275-watt GPU double-sized form factor cards. As for the computing aspects of the FX3420, actually it can support up to 2 processors and populated with 24 DDR4 RAMs, and there are 2 expansion slots, dual size slots, can support GPU cards such as like the powerful NVIDIA T4s. On the networking aspect of the FX3420, you can see from starting from the right-hand side of the rear chassis, it's full of features and I/O ports. Starting this hardware reset, 6 RJ45 console ports, along with 4 fiber SFP plus ports, management ports, USB 3.0, IPMI, BMC reset, COM ports, and also a mute button for the PSU. Moreover, on the storage aspect of the FX3420, this appliance can support up to 12 HDD or SSD trays. It's flexible enough to support it as SATA, SAS, and NVMe device. It's also integrated with hardware RAID functions, either RAID 0, 1, 10. Okay. The support list you can see on the bottom is up to 12 SATA HDD, 12 SAS SATA HDD, which include RAID functions, and 8 SAS SATA HDD with RAID functions, plus 4 NVMe or SATA HDDs, along with 12 NVMe SSD drives. And finally, for the management ability of the FX3420, our appliance actually does support IPMI. And actually the IPMI could monitor the overall system status, such as like voltage, fan speed, temperature, etc. And it will report any abnormal issues to the operator. And not only that, the IPMI could actually record and monitor information and generate a report for the administrator. Thank you, folks. That's all for today. And if you have any question regarding this portion of these slides, please let me know. And also you can email me at my address below. And thank you all for your time today.